I'm Honda Laura, and today I am at the Red Bull Grand Rallycross at the Thompson Speedway in Thompson, Connecticut. And I am super excited because I am going to get to ride in the Red Bull Honda Civic rally car. It has over 600 horsepower and it goes 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. After that, we're going to talk to some members of the team, get a little bit more info on that Civic. I'm super excited, so let's get it going. So here with Oliver, and we're going for a ride.
I mean, honestly, 1 in 3.
Is Oliver a good driver?
He's
young, huh?
really young. I mean, he's a little aggressive. I mean, if he spins out, he spins out. But
You have faith in him?
yes,
All right, then I feel okay.
he's one of the best drivers in the world.
Really?
If you were ever to sit in a passenger seat of any car, any of these guys.
So I'm gonna have a good time then.
Oh yeah. Remember to breathe. He is the driver of number 24 Red Bull car. Awesome. I freaked out a little bit. It was super exciting. What can you tell me about these awesome Civics?
Yeah, about the Civics, you know, it's 600 horsepower, all-wheel drive, with a big turbo on there, so it's tons of power.
I felt it.
Yep. Anti-lag as well, so it's just instant power whenever you touch the throttle, so it's just absolute madness.
You love driving it.
Oh, it's amazing.
It was really, really exciting. Thanks for the ride. How long have you been driving, Mitchell? In your young life?
I've been driving for about 14 years now.
Wow.
Actually.
What is that? Made 5?
Yes, when I was 5, yeah. Started in the really small go-karts.
Stop it, really?
Yep,
That's
yep.
so awesome. I admire you. I admire everything that you guys do here. It was amazing. Thanks for the ride.
Appreciate it.
So I went on my media ride. It was crazy. It was intense. Everything you think 600 horsepower would be. It was super, super fun. I loved it. My driver was amazing. So talented. We had a great time here at the Red Bull GRC, and we'll see you next time. Finally got my Red Bull.